Meant for you. What's meant for you will always be for you. Lalo na kapag pinaghirapan mo, ginawa mo yung best mo, hinusayan mo talaga, pinagdasal mo, magiging para sa'yo talaga eh. What's meant for you will always find its way going back to you. Ang dami niyang ibibigay na tao para ibalik sa'yo yung sinukuan mong pangarap. Maraming gagamiting instrumento para ipaalala sa'yo na kailangan mong ipaglaban ang gusto mo. What's meant for you will always be for you, no matter what. Kahit imposible, kahit malabong mangyari, kahit parang hindi talaga ma-imagine kapag para talaga sa'yo, para sa'yo. Madalas kasi, inaasahan lang natin yung human mind natin, pero iba ang grace ni Lord. It goes beyond what human's mind can imagine. Kahit mukhang imposible para sa atin, posible pala talaga kay Lord. Alam mo yung bigla ka na lang magugulat na, wow, Lord, ito pala yung happiness na kaya mong ibigay kahit para pasuko na ako ng 1% na lang. Again, what's meant for you will always find its way back to you.